Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 must-have DIY tools that every enthusiast and professional needs in their arsenal. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. WowStick 1F Plus Electric Screwdriver. This innovative tool redefines precision with its sleek, pen-shaped aluminum alloy design. The WowStick 1F Plus isn't just about looks, it's packed with performance. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it's always ready for action. The set includes 64 screwdriver bits, making it a go-to for all kinds of electronic repairs. Its auto self-locking ratchet wheel orientation ensures steady operation, while the dual torque working mode, offering 0.15 for 3 Nm, adapts effortlessly to your needs. Lightweight and portable, the WowStick 1F Plus is an essential addition to your toolkit for precision and ease. Number 5. 3D Metal Puzzle Dragon. The 3D Metal Puzzle Dragon is a perfect combination of art and engineering. Made from high-quality metal, this intricate model is a fascinating piece for both collectors and DIY enthusiasts. Its striking silver finish adds a touch of elegance, making it suitable for display as home decor or a centerpiece on your desk. This model isn't just a collectible. It's an educational toy that challenges your creativity and problem-solving skills. With its detailed design and assembly process, the 3D Metal Puzzle Dragon is a fulfilling project for adults and a perfect gift for those who enjoy working with their hands. Number 4. TFT Transistor Tester. If you're into electronics, the LCR TC1 Transistor Tester is a game changer. Featuring a vibrant 1.77-inch colorful display with a TFT backlight, this multifunctional tester simplifies component testing. It identifies resistors, capacitors, diodes, and transistors with precision, ensuring accurate results every time. Its user-friendly interface and automatic shutoff function make it a reliable companion for both beginners and experts in electronics. Whether you're repairing circuits or experimenting with new builds, the TFT Transistor Tester is an invaluable tool for your bench. Number 3. Myrowell 3D Pen. Unleash your creativity with the Myrowell 3D Pen. Designed for all ages, this pen allows you to bring your imagination to life through 3D printing. Its adjustable sprinkle speed gives you complete control, ensuring smooth and precise designs. With 100 meters of ABS filament included, you have plenty of material to create intricate designs and models. Its fused deposition extrusion mode guarantees a seamless drawing experience. Compact and easy to use, the Myrowell 3D Pen makes for an excellent gift that fosters creativity and design skills in kids and adults alike. Number 2. Reciprocating Saw Attachment. Transform your drill into a powerful cutting tool with the Reciprocating Saw Attachment. Designed for cutting wood, metal, and other materials, this accessory expands the versatility of your existing tools. The set includes 3 blades tailored for different materials, ensuring efficient and precise cuts every time. Its compatibility with various power tools makes it an essential addition for anyone looking to enhance their workshop's capabilities. Number 1. T12 Soldering Station. The T12 Soldering Station is a must-have for anyone working on intricate soldering tasks. Powered by an advanced STM32 microcontroller, this station provides stable and precise performance. The quick heating feature and accurate temperature control let you get to work almost instantly, delivering consistent results every time. What sets this soldering station apart is its intuitive features, like the handle-activated wake-up function and adjustable temperature encoder. Energy-saving modes, such as auto sleep and auto power-off, enhance its longevity and safety. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, the T12 soldering station is perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.